Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the SwitchBot app settings for your SwitchBot. This is the K10 Plus Pro. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the SwitchBot app where we can enter into our device, and we have a couple of quick options here, or we can select more. And that brings us to our populated map, where we have 3 tabs at the top: room cleaning, whole house cleaning, and area cleaning. So pick and choose which one you want. And you can add a ton of different areas here. Tons of areas. We can execute that. It's as simple as drag and drop and pick which sections you want around your house. Whole house, you get the idea there. We can set some no-go zones and no mop zones if you want. So any troubled areas for your vacuum and mop, you can choose where it's not supposed to go. And if you'd rather not have an area, they also have the virtual walls right there. Same thing, drag and drop, and you can add multiples of each depending on how you want to configure the whole house settings. There's also a user assistant option that just brings up what we looked at a second ago, helping you understand the settings more. Then we can hit cancel or make it effective immediately. And then we're back to the main section here where we can choose our cleaning times. We can save the map depending on how everything's divided. And then on the left-hand side, the green icons, we can initiate our empty dust if we want to turn on self-empty. We have our vacuum mode or mop mode. We can toggle between the two. Further down, we have our cleaning history. Then we have some quick commands. We can have it recharge. We can have it start cleaning. We can adjust the suction setting. We have 4 different settings to choose from for the suction, quiet all the way up to max. And then we have the more option here. We have our map editing and map viewing. This does support multi-level mapping. We can set a schedule for this to clean, choose the day and time. We can get a breakout of our cleaning report once we have some data populated. Voice package. We have manual remote control. So we can use this to drive it around our phone using our network, which is pretty sweet. So it's checking on that right now. Then we can locate the robot if it's lost. It says, "I'm here." And then we also have our accessory usage. So it gives us a breakout of the filter life, side brush, rubber brush, dust bag, and sensors, letting us know when it's time to conduct maintenance for each item. And then we can get even more settings in the top right-hand corner. We have our settings gear icon, where we can rename our vacuum. We can choose our vacuum mode options. You want it to auto resume cleaning, reduce collision mode. You can toggle those on or off. You can set a do not disturb option. We can adjust the volume. This is really key. We have dust collection settings. With this having a smaller dustbin, it's great to be able to customize that to make sure that it's emptying frequently enough for depending on how dirty your household is. And you can choose how long it takes to collect the dust too, fast or enhanced, anywhere between 10, 15, and 25 seconds. And then here's that frequency adjustment. Light, 90 minutes, regular, 75 minutes, or enhanced, 60 minutes. So keep that in mind. Smaller dustbin there, you might want to be closer to the regular or enhanced option. Then we can turn the button light on or off, child lock. Then we have some device settings to restart or reconnect, cloud services, NFC if you want to pair this with other SwitchBot accessories, FAQ, firmware, and device info. And at the very bottom, we can delete the device from our account. So a very capable app with a lot of settings that are very customizable and easy to find.